to show you the 2015 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display, power steering, cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.